There comes a time in every man's life when he has to make a decision. Does he hide his anime obsession, or does he wear it proudly on his shoulders and on his desk like a true man, like a true warrior? And you just love anime waifus so much that every time you go to your computer, you need to be reminded. Ladies and gentlemen, I have found a keyboard and mouse set for just such an individual. Let me introduce you to Redragon. There we go. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful. Dear Lord Almighty. Oh, stickers. They're stickers. Yeah. Oh, heck yeah. That's big hype. I'm putting those on something for sure. I throw a bunch of stickers on my Xbox, my Series X. I think sticker bombed. I'll put a Redragon sticker on it. Heck yeah. All right, pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's move on to the mouse. King Pro 26,000 DPI, wireless, ultra lightweight, 49 grams. Wow, that is actually exactly what I need. Oh no, what happened in shipping, brother? This thing got wrecked. Oh, am I really sad? Oh my god, very sad moment. I might be able to fix this. One of the keys is broken, or I'm sorry, one of the keycaps is broken. I have another one, but it's not really going to fit in well with the... Oh man, it's not like a standard size. Let's see, it's about the same. Oh yeah, she's clean. You can't even tell. What do you know? Yeah, it'll work. RIP to the little compass rose switch. That thing was real cute. It's a little broken. All right, so it looks like we got some lights. Wow, pretty. What else have we got here? We got a little volume knob here. I mean, it's just beautiful. And the back of the keyboard is honestly my favorite part. Like, look at this. That's like stunning. I really like that. Unironically, I don't even watch anime too much, and I love that. It's beautiful. And then we have the mouse. Okay, I mean, it's got no RGB. It's just a cute little mouse. Very, very lightweight. Bluetooth. 49 grams. I think that's about as light as the G Pro Superlight that everyone's always crooning over. And there she is. Okay, so this is the EISA K686 Pro SE anime keyboard. It literally has anime in the name. It's got hi-fi switches, 96%, 98 keys, wireless, gasket. It's got the full number pad, of course. Got die sub PBT keycaps with the unique anime theme. 3-layer dampening. for the clear dock sound, which we will be showing off in just a quick second. And it's got some software. And then for the mouse, it's the EISA M916 Pro 1000 Hertz, which is about what I use, 26,000 DPI. No one uses that. I don't even know why they make that. 49 grams, ergonomic, natural grip, full programmable buttons, software supports DIY keybinds, and DPI. Redragon Anime Girl out. Here comes the adorable and reliable ally of Redragon, personalized waifu character EISA reporting. They actually said waifu, that's funny. And now we're going to listen to the keyboard, see how it sounds. Listen to the mouse and see how it sounds. Yeah. All right, sound test incoming. So far, I'm very impressed. I'm a little sad about the broken keycap, but I'll probably just try and reach out to them and see if I can get another one of that. So the keycap was broken, and these absolute legends at Redragon customer service, they didn't even respond. I sent them the picture of the broken keycap, and then nothing. And then one day later, I get something in the mail, and I'm like, oh, okay, so they sent the keycap. They sent a whole nother keyboard. Anyways, thank you, Redragon. I appreciate it. Everything's here. Everything works. We're going to get into some gameplay with my brand new shiny, everything perfect keyboard. Let's do it, baby. Team snipers. I want to be a sniper. Come on, baby. Let me snipe you. Yes. 4, sniping time.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, let's go. What's happening? Oh. Okay. I don't want to talk about it. This is a very small map. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. Oh, I'm trash.
Lost the lead.
There it is.
Tied the leader. Gain the lead. Gain the lead. Double kill.
Nice. Clean.
Killing spree.
Direct nerd.
King Slayer.
Oh, we're both trash.
King Slayer.
There we go. Okay, come on, we can do this. Bye. Ah, not the punching, bro. That's cheating. Bye. Oh, hey, ow. Damn. Relax, dog.
King Slayer.
Who's next? That guy is not missing. Not the noodle. The noodle killed me? No, there can only be one. I didn't realize we had pistols.
King Slayer. Double kill. winning.
Let's go! Did you see that? Yeah! Look. Oh! Oh, it didn't even show the good stuff, man. Oh, that was sick. Let's go. Thanks, Redragon. It's only because of you. If it wasn't for Anime Waifu on my side, I wouldn't have gotten those 17 kills. Alrighty, well, this has been Redragon Anime Waifu Keyboard. If you liked it, make sure to smash like. I really enjoyed the keyboard a lot. I think it's really cool that they sent out a whole nother keyboard just because the keycap was messed up. So huge shout out to Redragon. I really think the keyboard's freaking awesome. One of a kind. Yeah, highly recommend. Make sure to check the link in description and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Subscribe.